What's goody? It's your boy Rob with Goody Art, and today we're talking about family. Please make sure that you subscribe, like, and share this video with all your friends and family. Today, we're talking about how much family matters. The older I get, the more I realize how much family really matters. And not only just family, spending time with your family and how much that matters. Me and my cousins actually started a group text a few years back, as well as a group text with our other family members as well. And coming from a person that absolutely hates group texts, I found out that this group text is actually one of the best things for us. It keeps us connected with our family as well as keeping us entertained. If you need a good laugh, we always just write something in the text. So it's definitely helped bring us closer. And I have to say, I actually don't mind our group text as a family at all. And with the passing of family members, especially elderly family members, I've found myself trying to retrace history, get in touch with people that could tell me the stories of my past family members and ancestors. And for all those that I didn't know because they had passed away before I was born, I found that it's also brought me closer to my family because I've learned things that I didn't know prior to that. So I implore anybody to actually get out and about and try to learn your family history, whether good or bad. You know, just try to trace your family history. And I'll say this because 2020 was a rough year for us as a family, as I'm sure it was rough for a lot of people out there. We lost 3 staples in our family, one of which being my grandfather, my ox, you know. Once people are gone, you know, you can't really get those stories. You can't really figure out certain parts of your history because it's gone with them. So that's why I say, if you can, try to get around your elderly members of your family and actually learn something. Sit down and talk with them and learn the history of your family from what they know and from their perspective. And although the passing of my grandfather was a rough blow to our family, I also feel like it brought our family closer because I find myself talking to my family almost every single day, at least through text. And I'll definitely say there's nothing sweeter or more special than hearing my granny's voice calling me, talking about, "Hey, baby." It's a beautiful thing, man. And I've learned so much from my grandparents over the years. And I realized that not everybody has the same experience with family as I do myself. But I also realized that family's not always just blood related. I have many of friends that have become family over the years. Some of them who have lost family members just as recent as even last week. And my heart goes out to them in their grieving period. Death is sometimes a hard thing to deal with, and everybody grieves differently, and everybody grieves at different rates of time. But one thing that I do know is that cherishing the memories of those people that have passed away have helped me get through many of deaths that I've dealt with, even at a young age. Just cherishing those memories that I have with those certain people while they were still here on earth. I try to keep people around me that are positive thinking and positive moving forward, as well as like-minded people. And my circle is pretty small whenever it comes down to my handful of accountable friends that I can really count on no matter what time of day, what time of night, whatever. As I personally embark on a new life journey, I would like to challenge all of you, get closer with your family and your friends, whether that's going to grab a drink, a bite to eat, a cup of coffee, whatever it may be, even if it's just going to spend some quality time. Just get closer with your family and friends while you still can, while they're here on earth. No regrets. Try to learn as much as possible from those family members that are still living, because one day you're not going to be able to get those same stories with the same type of energy once they are gone. And last but certainly not least, make sure you spread love. So from me and my family to you and yours, I just want to say we love you, care for you, and wish you all the best. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video with all your friends and family. And I will see you in the next one. hold on, I'm back. I can't let the day go by without wishing the man that made me a big brother a very special happy birthday. Happy birthday, J. Dot. I love you, my man. Keep doing what you're doing, man. I'm proud of you. Okay, now, make sure you go like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family. And I'll see you in the next one.
Children me, you in the way, you in the way. You ain't in children me, you in the way, you in the way. You ain't in children me, you in the way, you in the way. If you ain't in children me, you in the way. I did what you do to like 2 times a day.